Ever wondered how much time you'd save if your home could take care of itself? Imagine this. You're gently woken up by an AI-powered alarm clock that's synced with your sleep cycle, ensuring you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. As you stir, automated blinds softly part, letting in the warm morning sun. No more fumbling around in the dark or squinting against harsh light. Meanwhile, in the kitchen, the scent of freshly brewed coffee wafts through the air. Your smart coffee maker kicked into gear the moment your alarm went off. No waiting around for that first invigorating sip. These are just a few examples of how smart home technology is revolutionizing our morning routines. It's not just about convenience, but also about improving our quality of life. With these intelligent systems in place, your home can truly take care of itself, starting your day off right, with more time for the things you love. Think your home office could use an upgrade? Welcome to a world where work from home becomes a breeze, thanks to artificial intelligence. Imagine starting your day with a gentle reminder about your first meeting from your AI assistant. Or perhaps you need a hand sorting out your schedule. Say goodbye to the chaos. Your AI assistant is here to keep your day on track, setting reminders and automating tasks with ease. And it doesn't stop there. Need to send an email but your hands are full? No problem. A simple voice command is all it takes. And let's not forget about the ambiance. With a few words, you can control the room's lighting and temperature, creating the perfect environment for productivity. Work from home doesn't have to be a challenge. With AI, it's as simple as saying a command. And the best part? With AI, your home office is not just smarter, but more efficient. Ever wish you had a personal assistant in the kitchen? Well, with smart home technology, you can. Imagine this. You're planning to cook dinner, but you're out of inspiration. No worries. Just ask your voice assistant for a recipe suggestion, and voila! You've got a 5-star meal plan, but it doesn't stop there. As you're cooking, your voice assistant guides you through each step, ensuring you never miss a beat. Need to preheat the oven? Just say the word, and your smart oven gets to work. Not sure if your roast is done? Your smart thermometer can tell you the exact temperature, ensuring your dinner is cooked to perfection. And the best part? You can control everything from your voice to your smartphone. So whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, smart appliances and AI make the process not just easier, but more enjoyable. Cooking doesn't have to be a chore when you have AI by your side. How about a home that knows exactly how you like to unwind and keeps you safe while doing so? Imagine a space that caters to your every need, intuitively adjusting to your comfort levels and ensuring your safety. As the day winds down, our smart home technology comes into play, creating an environment of relaxation and security. With AI-based climate control, the ideal temperature is maintained effortlessly, allowing you to sink into comfort without a second thought. Intelligent lighting takes care of setting the mood, subtly adapting to your preferences and activities, whether it's a cozy movie night or an evening of reading. But what about entertainment? A simple voice command and your favorite show is streaming, the sound levels optimized for your liking. It's as if your home knows you better than you do. And of course, security is paramount. Our smart security solutions provide peace of mind, ensuring your sanctuary remains undisturbed. Your home, your comfort zone, now safer and smarter than ever. So what's the takeaway from a day in a smart home? Imagine the luxury of a personal assistant that never sleeps, constantly working to make your life easier, more efficient, and frankly, more fun. That's the magic of a smart home. The morning routine is no longer a scramble, but a seamless start to your day. Working from home is a breeze with AI-controlled lighting and temperature, offering the perfect environment to focus and be productive. Cooking becomes a joyous affair with smart appliances at your fingertips, and relaxation is truly restful, with voice-controlled entertainment and intelligent lighting setting the mood. Security is no longer a worry but a certainty, with smart security solutions watching over your haven. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of today, a testament to the power of technology to improve our everyday lives. The smart home revolution is here, making life easier one day at a time. Ready to join in?